Hello everybody! In today's lesson, we are going to be learning about fractions. Before half term, we looked at equal and unequal parts. Today, we are going to be learning how to recognize 1/2. That means you're going to be looking at pictures and learning whether or not something is a half. This symbol is 1/2. 1/2. So when you see this, you have to say 1/2. So there's an action that you are going to be doing when we do fractions for the next week. So you need to get your strong arm ready. We split it into 2 equal parts and we hold one of those parts. Let's do it one more time. Strong arm ready. We split it into 2 equal parts and we hold one of those parts. So now we are going to be looking at different shapes and we're going to be thinking about, does the shape show 1/2? You have to remember, what does 1/2 mean? It means it is split into 2 equal parts and one of those parts is shaded, or we're holding one of those parts. So here is our first shape. Does this shape show 1/2? Let's think about what 1/2 actually means. We split it into 2 equal parts and we hold, or we color in, one of those parts. Is this shape split into 2 equal parts? Yes, it is split into 2 equal parts. And are we holding, or are we coloring in one of those parts? It's a bit hard for you to see the color, but yes, this side is colored in kind of a pinky purple. So we have split it into 2 equal parts and we're holding one of those parts. So this shape does show 1/2. Let's try another one. Does this shape show 1/2? Let's think about what 1/2 means. We split it into 2 equal parts and we hold, or color in, one of those parts. Here, our triangle is split into 2 parts and we've colored in one part. But are these 2 parts equal? We split it into 2 equal parts and we hold one of those parts. Are these 2 parts equal? No, this one is way bigger. So this cannot show 1/2 because they're not split equally. So this is a no. This does not show 1/2. Let's look at this one. Does this shape show 1/2? I want you to pause the video and have a think. Does this shape show 1/2? Think about what 1/2 actually means. If you said yes, you are correct. We have split the circle into 2 equal parts. Both parts are the same size, and we hold, or we color in, one of those parts. So this does show 1/2. Let's try this one. I want you to pause the video and have a think. Does this shape show 1/2? Pause the video and have a think. This shape does not show 1/2. Do you think you know why? Why does this shape not show 1/2? Well, let's think about what 1/2 means. We split it into 2 equal parts and we hold one of those parts. How many parts is this rectangle split into? It's split into 3. 1, 2, 3. So already we know it can't be half because this is split into 3 parts. We are holding one part, but it's split into 3. So this does not show 1/2. Let's try this one. How about this one? Bit of a challenge. Have a think. Does this one show 1/2? Okay, what do you guys think? Does it show 1/2? Let's think about what 1/2 means. We split it into 2 equal parts and we hold one of those parts. This one looks like it's split into 4 parts and we're holding or coloring in 2. But I'm going to show you a little trick. I'm going to cut the circle up. I'm going to put it back together. So if we rearrange the circle like that, put those 2 parts together, and we're going to put these 2 parts together. Oops. We split it into 2 equal parts, and we color in one of those parts. And look, this circle looks very similar to this one, but it was just rearranged. So the parts don't all have to be on the same side. So this one looked like this before, but it still shows 1/2. Just need to swap around the colors. So this does show 1/2. How about this one? What do you think about this one? Does this shape show 1/2? Yes, it does. It does show 1/2. Just like the circle, we can rearrange the colored bits. So the rectangle is split into 2 equal parts. 1, 2, and we color in one of those parts. So this does show 1/2. The next thing is I've got a shape like this. How can we make this show 1/2? What should we color in to make this show 1/2? Pause the video and have a think. What should I do? Should I draw a line there and color that side in? If I draw a line here and color that side, will that show 1/2? I don't think it will, because this side here will be much bigger. So if I draw a line there and color that in, that will not show 1/2 because this side will be much bigger. If I do it this way and color one side in, will that show 1/2? Let's see. Does this show 1/2? So think about what half means. We split it into 2 equal parts and we hold one of those parts. Are the parts equal? Yes. Are we holding one of them? Yes. So this is how we can color in this shape to show 1/2. If we had colored it in this way, this does not show 1/2 because they're not split into equal parts. So this does not show 1/2.